We have such an exciting trip today. We just got a phone call from the post office and we are on our way to pick up a box. And we're gonna let you unbox that box with us. Girls, are y'all excited?
Yeah.
Okay, I don't know if you can hear, but we have some sweet little peepers in the box. I am so excited. Here we are. Oh my goodness. Look at these sweet babies. These are our little khaki Campbell babies. Aren't they precious? We're so excited to add these little khaki Campbells to our homestead. They are amazing layers. They lay about 300 eggs per year. They're gentle, they're friendly, and not only are they great egg layers, but they have delicious meat. So they're a wonderful dual purpose breed for our homestead, and we could not be more excited. Thank you for coming along and unboxing our sweet little ducks. Be sure to check back for updates as they grow and as we integrate them into our homestead. Thanks so much for watching.